Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm at IKEA Damansara to check out the long-awaited ROG IKEA gaming range. And I have a very special guest today, my friend JJ from ASUS, to walk us through on the new collection. Let's go. Alright, right now we are in the showroom to look at the latest IKEA ROG gaming range. JJ, you want to tell us more about this?
Oh yes, definitely. So in IKEA stores nationwide, you get to see specially built ROG gaming PCs on display. So make sure you head to your nearest IKEA stores to check out our amazing ROG gaming PCs. So what's so special about our ROG gaming PCs? So this PC is powered by the 10th gen Intel Core processors, of course on the Z490 chipsets. As for RAM, we've gotten some help from our friends over at Kingston. So this PC over here is running on the Kingston Fury Renegade DDR4 RAM. We also have other PCs running the Kingston Fury Beast DDR4 RAM. So of course the Fury series RAMs have beautiful styling, of course RGB. They are Intel XMP ready for overclocking. For our storage solutions, we also gotten help from our friends over at Kingston. So we have the Kingston NV1 NVMe SSD and the Kingston KC2500 SSD. So both SSDs offer amazing NVMe performance. So in terms of file transfer speeds and gaming speeds, everything, it will improve your overall gaming experience for sure. So obviously just now, with such amazing internal components, you have to pair it with very good peripherals as well. So for peripherals, we have the ROG Strict Scope NX TKL. Of course, this keyboard, what's so special about this keyboard is it has an enlarged control key on the left. So for FPS gamers out there, if you need to crouch, surely you wouldn't miss the key. Also, this keyboard, what's so special about it is it has the ROG NX mechanical switches. So very special switches, has a very good feel to it. Of course, paired with this amazing keyboard is our ROG Keris mouse. So with this 10 keyless layout, you will have more space to move around for precise and accurate gaming. So finally, we have the ROG Delta S paired with our ROG gaming PCs. So the ROG Delta S can deliver true to life audio. So in all kinds of environments in your gaming situations, you can hear everything clearly.
Here is more of an ease.
So JJ, which product do you like most from today's ROG IKEA range?
Right. I think my favorite product for the ROG IKEA gaming range would have to be the adjustable gaming desk, right? Because we're working from home so much right now, having the desk up whenever I need, I think it's a very important feature.
Yeah, and you know what? It's actually pretty affordable too.
Yes, correct.
And I really like that they have actually 4 memory settings.
Yes.
Right, and it's pretty solid for what it's worth. And if you ask me, I would really like the gaming chair.
Right.
Because of the mesh back. And you know what? For the first time, they have a adjustable arm rest, which I didn't get previously. Right now, the one with the ROG,
Yes.
they added that, and I think it's pretty awesome.
Right.
Alright, to sum it up, the ROG IKEA gaming range will be available at all IKEA stores nationwide starting 11/11. So again, thank you JJ for having me in this early preview. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye!